The retainer cushion is an isolator mount that secures the blower's fan housing and engine to the backpack frame. The mount has two steel plates that are connected by a rubber isolator. The isolator reduces the amount of vibration that is transferred to the harness. Over time, the rubber isolator can weaken and fail. Replacing the retainer cushion is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the nut that secures the retainer cushion to the frame. Next, I'll remove the 4 screws that secure the intake shroud to the frame. Now I'll tip the blower back and remove the 2 nuts that secure the blower housing and engine to the frame. And now I can lift the blower housing and motor away from the frame. Now remove the retainer strap from the stud on the isolator and remove the 2 screws that secure it to the blower housing. Be careful I don't lose the retainer strap. And now I can install the new retainer cushion. I'll align it with the frame. I'll begin mounting the retainer cushion by installing 1 screw, but not tightening it completely. Now reinstall the retainer strap and tighten up the first screw. And then I'll install the second screw. Then I'll place the retainer strap back over the stud. The strap is there, so if the isolator fails, the 2 halves of the blower will be held together. Now I'll realign the engine and blower housing with the frame. Again, I'll tip it on its back so I can reinstall the nuts. First the washers, and then the nut. I'll realign the upper retainer cushion with the frame and secure it with the washer and nut. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the intake shroud to the frame. And now you know how to replace the retainer cushion on your blower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.